Hi everyone, welcome to the channel. I'm Selena. Today I am going to prepare an incredibly easy dish. I'm going to make chicken and tomatoes, plain and simple, just chicken and tomatoes. This is something that my mother used to make when she would get home from work in the evenings, and she only always made a single serving size. I don't know why, but she did. So today I'm going to make it for myself. So let's go to the kitchen. Here's a look at the ingredients. I'm using drumsticks, but you can use whatever parts that you like. After your chicken has been washed, pat it dry and season it well on all sides. The seasoning blend that I am using is simply salt, pepper, and seasonal. Add a little oil to a non-stick skillet and add your chicken. And you don't want to cook it all the way through. You just want to get a good sear and brown it on all sides. After the chicken has browned on all sides, remove it, clean your pan, and add your tomatoes. Season them as you like. I simply use salt and parsley. I use a dried parsley, and I like to rub it through my fingers as I'm adding it to the pan. You also want to add a little water to the tomatoes because essentially what you're going to be doing is steaming the chicken. Nestle your chicken into the tomatoes, cover it, lower your fire, and let it simmer. Check your pan periodically to make sure that you have not lost too much of the liquid, to check for doneness, and also to baste as necessary. The chicken is done when the meat separates from the bone. Serve with whatever size that you like, whether that's mashed potatoes or rice or vegetables. Here I'm having green peas because they are my absolute favorite vegetable. Well, this is the end of the video. I hope that you enjoyed it. Please give it a like and please subscribe. Stay tuned for additional quick, easy, and delicious recipes. Until we meet again, goodbye.